respected judges, supervisors, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Padam Salia from 7th C, representing SSPAC Group A Physical Features of Asia. Before starting, I like to introduce my group members. Jain Kavya, Jala Yuvraj, Sharma Dipanshu, Kavishkar Rajashri, Boynatik, and Pak Pranchal. Look outside. As we can see many types of trees, animals, houses, bungalows, telephone poles, solar panels, etc. in this world. But do you know we aren't one living thing around us? In fact, temperature, weather, wind, rain, etc. Now our topic is Asia's physical features. Let us talk about Asia. As we all know that Asia is the largest continent of the world and 33% of the earth covers in Asia and 44 million of the lands of earth comes in Asia. Now I would like to call Jen Kavya for explaining you about physical features of Asia.
And now, do you know what are the physical features of Asia? Let me explain. So, Asia can be divided into 5 major physical regions. For example, mountains, forests, steppes, islands, desert, plateau, and etc. Now we will talk about the most important landform, which is plateau. Plateaus are elevated flatlands. In other words, it is a flatland standing high above the surrounding area. Furthermore, they may have one or more sides with steep slopes. Also depending upon the plateau, their height varies to a few hundred meters to several thousand meters. The most familiar plateau in India is the Deccan Plateau. They are mainly formed by lava, meaning they are volcanic in origin. The extension of Deccan Plateau is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. It's a reserve for minerals such as iron ore, manganese, and coal. The plateau regions give birth to waterfalls. Plateau regions give birth to waterfalls. For example, Handru Falls in Chota Nagpur Plateau and Jog Falls in Karnataka. Moreover, these landforms are the centers of the tourism and scenic activities. Now I would like to call my friend Jala Yuvraj. Landform are the physical features. Landform are the physical features on the earth. Mountains, plateaus, and plains are some. My friend Sharma Dipanshu. Now I will explain about the river. River, how did rivers form? Rivers are formed by water moving from a high elevation to a lower elevation all due to gravity and when rain falls on the land. Why? Why does yellow river color is yellow and brownish? The yellow river color is yellow and brownish because when the rain falls on the because it contains salt and because it contains salt that is why yellow river color is yellow and brownish.
Explain your model.
This I used here in my model slide, white cement and natural trees. Yunghi Valley, now I will explain about Yunghi Valley. Yunghi Valley, well known as Yellow River Valley, was the birthplace of the Chinese ancient civilization. Around 5,400 kilometers and 3,300 miles long and second largest river in China. Now I would like to call my friend Rajashri to explain another speech.
Mount Everest is the peak in the Himalayan mountain range. It is Tibet. It is considered to the largest mountain in the earth.
Go on.
Now I like to call Arya Jain.
Now I will explain about this model. So I have used here cardboard, colors, chart papers and artificial trees and straws and toy animals. So we can see here types of landforms and the desert of theme of desert. So here all types of landforms are there like island, plateaus, mountains, waterfall, volcanoes. Now, like my friend explained, like Rajashri explained about the mountains with the example of Mount Everest, I am here again with another example of Rainbow Mountain. Yes, we had a hard time believing that the inside mountain formation was actually real because we haven't fallen down the rabbit hole. But believe it or not, this technical range actually exists. The mountains are the part of Zhangya Landform Geological Park in China. Layers of different colors, sandstone and minerals were pressed together over 24 million years and then buckled up by tectonic plates according to data. The formation was shaped into the flowing valleys after thousands of years of rain and wind, and the region has been listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2010. The distinct coloring of the rock is the result of various mineral deposits and that have been exposed through erosion over time. Layers of different colors, sandstone and minerals like iron and trace, etc. create a striking visual display of intense red, green, orange, yellow, blues. The interplay of lights and shadow on this majestic formation adds to their surreal beauty and especially during sunset and sunshine. Now I will explain my model. I have made this model with the help of newspapers, tissue, glitter, colorful colors like red, green, orange, yellow, blue, etc. and some cardboard inside of this mountain. Thank you. Now I would like to call my friend Nathan.
Now I would explain about Sundarban Forest. The Sundarban Forest is a structure of low-lying islands in the Bay of Bengal across India and Asia. Now I would like to call my friend.
Now Karakum Desert. It is an hot, expensive desert located in Turkmenistan and it translates in Turkic language black sand. It is expert for many types of animals like lizards, camels, crabs and etc. And we will talk about its temperature. It has a unique climate, for example, 39 degrees Fahrenheit and 4 degrees Celsius. Now, it has a unique crater in it, named by God of Hell. It is also known as Gates of Hell in Turkmenistan Karakum Desert. It is accidentally rigged and punched into a desert and occurs natural gas. And now and still it is fairly burning and now it should be considered a wonder of the world. Now and since it is burning from 1971. Thank you. Now I would like to explain my model. I have used here LED lights for door of hair and sand and craft papers, some huts and wool and many types of artificial trees, camels, and clay, etc. and cardboard. Thank you. Now I would like to call my friend Ratanjal for explaining you about full desert. What desert? Now I explain about full desert. So Ladakh is a cold desert. Ladakh is a cold desert living with the Great Himalaya. On eastern side, Jammu and Kashmir.
Not to
Several
see from
rivers
there.
Flow through the
From here only.
and
Chinese.
now, so first I would like to thank honorable judges, supervisors, teachers and all my dear friends for giving us a golden opportunity to express our view in physical features of Asia. And now I would also like to thank my respected teacher who encouraged us. Thank you and have a nice day.